Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and you have stumbled upon my docuseries, My Journey to Acrylics. Each week I try to do something a little bit different than the week before. Today I'm kind of slow uploading, but as long as I get it up, that's all that matters, right? Right. Well, here in front of me I have got my clear. I have got the pink I'm using that Princess Di made me for my birthday. And I have got my monomer. I already have a layer of clear on both. I have buffed and filed to make it as smooth as possible. Yes, smooth as possible. I am going to burp my brush. Get all the air bubbles out. You want to do this each and every time you use your brush. I'm going to go in with the pink. Look at that. Ain't that delicious? Love, love, love it. Love, love, love. I'm going to pat, 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 wipe my brush. I'm going to feather this back here at the tip. And hopefully it'll walk itself down the nail some. And that we're going to have to help it just a little bit because we are not trying to build a nail. This is an overlay. Just trying to cover the nail with this delicious glitter. Well, not glitter. You know what I mean. It's got glitter in it. Let me get me a smaller bead. I'm going to turn the nail the opposite way because I can. Pat, pat, pat. I'm going to feather it back up the nail. Just trying to make sure we have full opacity. And there we go. I'm going to get my glitter and a different brush because I don't want my glitter in that brush. That is my Beetles brush. This one I bought off of AliExpress. And I'd rather use this for glitter than my Beetles brush, to be honest. And then we are going to encapsulate, 'cause that's what we're doing this week. We are going to encapsulate. I'm going to go back into my clear. He's not as big as I want it. But what are you going to do? Wipe, wipe, wipe. You going for a bigger bead? Doesn't give it to me either. I'm getting like medium beads here. Medium-sized beads, and I wanted a large. Trying to get this done in one swoop. But I'm not sure the tip has coverage, so whoops. Wrong color. Wrong color. So I'm going to put a bead or so here at the tip, feather it backwards. That way I know there is coverage. Gonna dab that glitter in. I think it looks beautiful. We are going to put this on a stand. And wait for this bad boy to dry. We're going to go into our next nail. Where's my other glitter at? Don't move, but I can surely lose things. Oh, here it is. I want to use this on this nail now. I think this is beautiful. I'm hoping this will show up nice and fine. Get me a nice big bead. I can get a big bead of the pink, but not the clear. I'm having trouble with that. Hopefully gravity will take over some here, walk itself down the nail. Oh, I got phones going off everywhere. I know Instagram's been busy today with the coronavirus. Westland. Michigan, the state I live in, is in lockdown, shut down, whatever you want to call it. As of midnight last night, the governor called that we all are supposed to do our part and stay home as much as possible. Of course, my mother, because certain stores are letting seniors shop first in the morning. That's what my mother had to go and do this morning, and she took me with her because, one, she's in her 70s. I don't want her out by herself. She is on a walker. The stores, we went to Walmart. They were packed. They had a line. We got there at 5:30 this morning. Doors were going to open at 6. And there was a line. It's kind of crazy. That is beautiful. I go back in with my other brush. Get me some of this deliciousness. Hope you can see. Just gonna try and ombre it, I guess you'd say here. I think this is just beautiful. I don't know how well it's gonna show up. So we are going to encapsulate this as well with some clear. The clear lets gravity take over, walks itself down the nail a little bit. Just a little bit. So in Michigan, as of last night, I haven't heard any change in stats yet today. We were at 1,300 and I think it's 32 people infected in Michigan with the coronavirus. I think there are 16 dead that died from it. The youngest fighting, 4 weeks old. That's really sad that this baby hasn't even had a chance at life yet, and it's got to fight because of this stupid virus. And the oldest I hear was 100. But we all have to do our part, do what your governor and the president says to do. And if that means to shelter in place, that is what we have to do. We are allowed to go out to the banks for food, to your place of worship. You can't even see the pink on here now. Oh, I guess pink on pink didn't work. So, But the banks are open, the automotive places are open, the grocery stores are open. It's kind of about it. Everything is, you know, the stores, the mall, the salons, they're all closed. You got your other stores that carry groceries, those are open. But I would like everybody, no matter where you live in the world and you're watching this now, I would like you to stay safe. Do your part in keeping you and your loved ones safe. That means staying home, staying away from each other, putting yourselves in a separate quarantine, or just staying 6 feet apart from each other, sanitizing the house as need be. What you gotta do. What you gotta do. Do my brush. Let's see, where are we on time? Okay, we're good. Trying to reshape my brush and condition it for next time. I know the UK is in lockdown. I don't even remember what other countries are, but there is like a whole slew of them. I have a lot of friends from all over the world that are in lockdown. A lot of people, you know, there's like 17, 18 states in the United States that are in lockdown. Like I said, Michigan being one, Ohio, California. I got family out there. But God's got us. I've got no doubt about that. We are going to come through this. What's that? My only worry, I guess I don't have a worry, because they're not closing everything up, so I'm not worried about people going out for this, that, and the other. Oh, let me check this. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, I don't think that's quite done yet, so I am going to pause. When these have hardened and set, I'm going to come back and buff and file and top coat. Alright, I am back. The news just updated the numbers. There is 1,791 infected in Michigan and 24 deaths total. That's surely jumped since last night. You're hearing my phone go off from Nails of Interest. She's been keeping track of what's going on here. She's in another southern state. So people, wash your hands, be safe, wear those gloves, the mask if that makes you feel any safer. I'd already filed and buffed this nail while I was dawdling. So I'm going to take my file, lightly go over. Let's do this first. Let's do the sides. The tip. Lightly buff the top of your nail. Still new with this filing thing here, but I'm working at it. Surely I am working at it. Your brush, brush it off. Where's my buffer? Here we go. Don't file your nails while you're at it. I'm gonna have my gloves back on. Okay, there we go. Feels beautiful. We are going to top coat now. I am using Beetle's Top It Off top coat. There's a shiny top coat, which I love. I love when you first hit that glitter with the polish. It just brings it to life. Just beautiful. I'm not thinking the pink I put on this nail is going to show up. I don't think it shows up at all. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. I think they are beautiful though. I really do. Stunning. I'm going to pop these in the lamp for 60. Give those a nice good cure. Beatles, they say, is rule of thumb to cure for 60 seconds, and that's what I'm doing. Put my files and buffer away. Everything's right here by my side. Okay, as I was saying, the coronavirus, my state is in shutdown, along with 17 or 18 other states. Stay safe, everyone. Follow what your governor and the president are telling you to do, which is stay home, stay away from people unless you have to. Take your precautions. Wash those paws. Sanitize. Get the hand sanitizers out. But don't forget to lotion up too, because the alcohol will dry you out. Yep. We got 5 seconds left on the lamp. If you are new here, please subscribe. Please click the bell to all so you get notified of all future videos. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Give me a like, hopefully a full view of this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my encapsulation. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.